Good afternoon, children. I am Shobha teacher. I am here to teach computer science for you. I welcome you all to Bharatmata e-learning classes. Okay, now follow the slides. Let us get familiar with the different parts of a computer. They are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CPU. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It helps to give instructions to the computer. We can enter words, numbers, signs, etc. through the keyboard. Mouse. It is also an input device. It helps to move or select items on the computer. It is an input device. Monitor. It is an output device. It shows the results given by the computer. Printer. It is also an output device. It prints the work on the paper. CPU. It is the processing device of a computer. This is the brain of the computer. It is also known as system unit. All processing work of a computer is handled by CPU. What is the full form of CPU, children? Okay, tell me. Central Processing Unit. What does the word computer means? Compute plus R is equal to computer. Compute. What is the meaning of compute? Compute means to calculate. R means one that performs the work. Compute plus R, computer. Now let us see how to turn on and turn off a computer. First step is switch on the power supply. Then switch on the UPS. What is the full form of UPS? Uninterrupted power supply. Then switch on the system unit, that is CPU. Then switch on the monitor. This is the first screen that appears when we start a computer. That is known as desktop. Then how to turn off the computer? Close all programs. Second step is click on start button. Then click on shutdown option. Then turn off the monitor. Then switch off power supply. Then switch off UPS. Then why do we use computer? Computer is a machine which helps the thinking process of our brain. Just like a bicycle that helps us travel faster than walking, the computer is the bicycle for the brain. It helps thinking process of our brain. A bicycle helps our legs to move the pedals and go from one place to another. And a sewing machine helps our hands to stitch clothes. Similarly, a computer helps our mind to think. Then a bicycle runs on mechanical energy and helps us to move fast. A sewing machine runs on mechanical or electrical energy. It helps us to stitch clothes with the help of our hands. A computer runs on electrical energy and helps us in memorizing, calculating and making decisions. It helps our brain. Machine and computer. What is a machine? A machine is a man-made thing that can be operated automatically with the help of fuel, mechanical or electrical energy. And what is a computer? A computer is a thinking machine. Computer runs on electricity and it solves problems like our brain. Why do we use machines? We may use machines because it helps us to do work faster with utmost accuracy. Machines help us to save our labor. A scooter helps us to move fast. It runs on petrol. A table fan helps us to blow air and save our labor. It runs on electricity. An electronic weighing scale helps us to weigh accurately. It runs on electricity. Computer saves the labor of our mental work. The computer gives result very fast. Let us compare a human brain and a computer. Human brain solves number-based and word-based problems. Computer solves number-based and word-based problems. Human brain works slowly. Computer works faster. Human brain sometimes gives wrong answer, but computer always gives right answer. Human brain remembers limited things in memory, but computer can store limited things in memory, that is in RAM, random access memory. Computer uses notebook or diary to store bigger things. Human brain uses notebook or diary to store bigger things. Computer uses hard disk or store bigger things. Human brain can work without instructions. Computer cannot work without instructions. Human brain can imagine or think new. Here is the difference between a human brain and a computer. A computer cannot imagine or think new things. So finally we can say that a computer is a good servant but a bad master. We can summarize today's lesson. First point, parts of a computer. How to turn on or turn off a computer. How to turn on and turn off a computer. Why do we use a computer? What is a computer? Why we use machines, brain and the computer? Let us go to some activity. Write the steps to turn on and turn off a computer in your computer CW. Your computer CW is 120 pages, 4-line book. You take that book and write on first page your name and subject. Then turn to next page, write today's date in margin and write the steps to turn on or turn off a computer. Then second, those who have access to a computer at home, please follow the steps and try turn on and turn off the computer. Thank you, children.